This is my outfit. I'm wearing a kurta today. I also am planning to do a minimal makeup. First, I'll just do my skincare. I put on some niacinamide serum and snail mucin. And then I'll apply some moisturizer. Followed by some lip balm. And sunscreen, even though it's late evening. And now that my skin is prepped, I'll go with foundation. This is really light coverage, so it's perfect for the heat. So first I'm blending it with my fingers. And I'll quickly wash my beauty blender. And now blending in with the beauty blender, which gives a really nice finish. And now I'm using concealer on the under eyes and to highlight. And then came the chai which I ordered. I let the concealer sit for a couple of minutes and then blend. It gives a nice coverage. And once I blend everything, I just spray some setting mist and again blend everything. And now just brushing my eyebrows with this semi-dried mascara. And then a blush. I like to blend with my fingers. It gives a dewy kind of effect. Taking a chai break. And now I'm using this tint which is like a coral pinkish shade. A brown lip liner. There's absolutely no sequence, so I'm using kajal first. And then I'm using eyeliner on the waterline. And a black bindi, which completely brings out the look. Then I have these two options for earrings. And I don't know what to choose, so I'm trying on both. Okay, I think these ones are better. And then I'm using highlighter from the blush and highlighter stick. And some mascara. And then I'm making a small little wing with the eyeliner. Finished my chai and then I'm putting on this gloss. And here's the final look. And here's how the outfit looks. And this is how my makeup looks in the golden hour light. I hope you guys liked this video. I'll catch you in the next one.